Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to copy data for Google Docs table. So let's start. Over here you can see I am here in Google Docs. I have one table over here which has categories January, February, March, April, May as months. Now I want to copy these data from ChatGPT. Over here you can see these are data. I want to copy them and insert to this table. For that, what I will do is I'll go to first ChatGPT and over here I will select all these data and Control C, and I will go over here and click on the second row first column and Control V. Now you can see here I have copied the data, but you can see border over here is changed. Previously it was black, now it has changed to gray. Now to change that, select all the data and go over here to this more, and over here we can find border color. Click on this and change it to black and done. In this way we can copy and paste in Google Docs table. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.